I recently had this idea to create a short film about what the world looked like a million years ago. What? Imagine the VFX budget you would have needed for that. However, now we've got the Artlist AI Toolkit and we're going to use it to create a cinematic trailer for this short film idea. You can get 2 months of Artlist for free with a link in the description. And on top of that, Artlist now offers unlimited generations on specific models.
What did the world look like 1 million years ago? The honest answer is, you would not recognize it. Go back 10,000 and the cities are gone. 100,000 and even the coastlines have moved. Keep falling backward through time and the planet reshapes itself again and again until almost nothing you know remains. This is the Earth that came long before us.
Step 1 is to generate reference images for our final film. Then we'll use AI video models to generate the single clips of our film. Next we will use voiceovers powered by artificial intelligence. And last we will create an AI trailer soundtrack to bring our film to life. Generating a cinematic trailer like this really is the best way to learn AI, because it forces you to touch every part of the workflow in one go. Every film, every clip starts with a reference image. Before motion, before sound, you need one frame that sets the landscape, character, and lighting. So I choose Artlist Original as an image model and I describe the first shot. First thing in the settings you notice is the styles. You get 4 of them: cinematic, professional, indie, and commercial. And they're actually not filters. The model understands what each one means. I want cinematic, obviously. And look at that. The color is already there. The depth is already there, and this is the part that normally takes a grade and a lot of fixing in post, and it came straight out of the box. Artlist Original 1.0 actually is the first image model trained on Artlist's own cinematic footage. This means real filmmaking went in, so the look that comes out actually feels like filmmaking. Once you want to create an image with a specific character in it, I recommend you to switch to models like Nano Banana 2 or Nano Banana Pro. You can easily drag and drop a reference image of a character into the prompt box, and it will use this character on your shot. Now here comes the fun part. A frame is a photo, but a film moves. So in Artlist, you can easily turn an image into a video. I just click on a frame and click on the video button. Then I choose the model. I would go for Seedance 2.0. Seedance is built for a look that actually looks realistic. It keeps real detail even when things are moving. And it generates sounds as well with the shot, so the wind and the air are already there. You can lock the image reference to direct it properly, so the shot is built on that exact reference. That's how we turn it from happy accidents to real film direction. Watch the camera movement and how I turn my head. If you go for video models like VO 3.1 Lite, this is included in Artlist Unlimited in 720p. So this is perfect for the first shots. If you want to try, if you want to test, you can actually do that unlimited. And once you found the perfect prompt that really mirrors your vision, you can use it on bigger models like Seedance 2.0 or VO 3.1. The pictures move, now it needs a voice. Inside the same toolkit, there's a full voiceover studio. You get studio quality voices, 70 plus languages, and real voice actors. You could even clone your own voice and use it for your films and content. I've done that many times in case I was on travels and I needed to change a sentence in a specific YouTube video or Instagram reel. It just sounds so realistic when using that voice clone feature on Artlist. Now, when you choose a voice template, which is what we're going to do for our trailer, I would recommend you to use the 11v3 model. This allows you to even prompt the emotions in brackets. That's a game changer for detailed control. On my first voiceover generation in the project, I realized that the voiceover opens up right next to the visuals, which allows for a great overview. This is what ties all of this together, and honestly, why I stayed inside this tool. It's all in one session, image, video, and voice, and you will see even music in the same place. I never export, re-import, or jump between 5 apps. I build the look, bring it to life, drop the voice on top, and it is all sitting in one workspace. Artlist calls this hybrid session. And since this video is about Artlist, we have to talk about music, right? Inside the Artlist AI Toolkit, you can now use different AI models to generate a custom soundtrack for your film. So this is where we started. We had a blank prompt and an idea, a reference image for a short film. And this is what came out. A short trailer built from nothing, with no camera, no crew, in a single afternoon. A year ago, this would have looked like AI. You would have known instantly. Now I'm not so sure you would. I used some additional editing tricks to make sure that it looks real. If you want to see them, make sure to subscribe. And this is the real story here. Not that AI is coming, that it is already good enough to sit inside real work. If you want to try the exact toolkit I used, the link is in the description. And it gives you 2 free months on any annual plan. Go build something with it. That is still the fastest way to actually learn this. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe so we see each other in the next one. Happy creating!